sports channel, we can play the role of peace building. They generate content on reality based, whether it's in favor or against. Also believe on the factual news as well.
And thirdly, even as we are talking about cricket, I think
Arshad bhai might have been thinking to accept this offer.
So there are lots of discussion happening in sport and Tahir Bhai with us today. How are you, Tahir Bhai?
Me good, Akib, God is true kind. What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir Bhai. And you today look in a quite happy environment, even though the India-Pakistan tensions are going on. Public is pretty upset with what the behavior Indian government is showing. How do you see this, Tahir Bhai? It's really sad, this incident happening at PSL time.
Akib, no doubt I am happy from outside, but inside I'm totally broken that why Indian government is taking such a nasty steps. But Akib, what we can do over here is through sports and the sports channel, we can play the role of peace building. As in past 2004 happened that when Indian team came into Pakistan and the bilateral relationship between two countries came into right place. So I think still we should not be worried or should not lose our heart. Still we should hope for the best.
But why is our government, our blessed government, so silent on this issue? They're not yet giving a proper stance on what to do, even with regards to the cricket. Naqvi Saab is silent at the moment.
It's a matter of honor and dignity. Not only Naqvi Saab, there are huge names who are still silent. And it's a very heart-wrenching
for public wants the answers there.
Yeah. But Akib, what sportsmen can do is unless they won't have proper back from the government, sportsmen can't do much. I think government should put their strong stance. So through sports and other stakeholders, bilateral relationship between two countries should come on the right direction. Otherwise, Akib, this thing will waste lot of time for putting the relationship on the right way.
But there is one fearful news which is coming. Do you think that India will boycott the Asia Cup and T20 World Cup match? Which is quite really scary news, and ICC would never want that to happen. That both these countries don't play against each other.
Akib, sometimes I smile and sometimes I went sad. The reason is why India is always there to create hurdle in the organizing of the tournaments, rather in Pakistan.
They are themselves heading ICC now.
Akib, it's a very heart-wrenching. It shows their mentality, their clerical mentality of JK and other stakeholders. Small mentality. Big person with small minds, right? So Akib, I think if they have any political issue, political turmoil between two countries, but they should abide by, in a sense of making organizing of the sports event in both countries, they should not be very harsh. India sports and politics should go side by side. They should not intersect with each other.
And they're fighting with Pakistan, and you were sharing in news that their own leagues, their match fixing happening on the
So Akib,
they shared a video of Sports Yari also.
Even Sports Yari, I am fan of Sports Yari. They generate content on
even though we have a feud, but sometimes they the right
things. They generate content on reality based, whether it's in favor or against of India. But they do the right job. Sometimes we get angry on them that when they make fun of Pakistan, but on the other hand, we are satisfied with them that they create fun and also believe on the factual news as well.
And thirdly, even as we are talking about cricket, I think even Neeraj Chopra bhai invited Arshad Nadeem for a javelin throw tournament, and Arshad bhai reduced the offer. I think is it because of these Pulwama attacks and everything? He was feared that he might not get the visa.
Okay, but Arshad bhai might have been thinking to accept this offer. But the issue rises when government official had created the issues with both the nations, right? So that's why Akib Arshad might have turned down this offer under the pressure. Otherwise, he would have been very happy to go into India.
And Dharwin, lastly, before we close this video, PSL begins today in Lahore, in the ancient city of Lahore. Babbar Sher playing, Shaheen playing. How do you see this, Dharwin?
Yeah, Akib,
huge match, I think.
PSL has begun in Lahore. It's just few inches away from us.
And you can see the fans are
more focused on the lights of
Public
Gaddafi Stadium.
Looking
behind these trees, there are the lights of the Gaddafi Stadium. So fans, we are very blessed.
Music also
music is also coming right from the Gaddafi Stadium, right, Akib? Yes, so I think we are very blessed that we are recording this video.
Inshallah, we will be going for the matches also.
We will go for the live coverage as well. So Akib, I think best wishes for Babar Azam that he will be huge under pressure. The reason he is playing in his home ground. Not talking about the franchise, but talking himself that he belongs to Lahore.
Shaheen has a pressure to win and Babar has a pressure to score.
Yeah, and his main house is just an inches away from Krabi Stadium. So good luck for Babar as well, and also Shaheen as well.
And thank you so much, Ram. Inshallah, tomorrow again we'll try to have you with you, sir. That's it for the video. Like, share, and subscribe to Sports for more content like this. Till then, goodbye from me and Tarbay side to give yourself Allah Hafiz.
Allah.